Hi, it's Sean McGee here from Sean McGee Hypnotherapy, and I want to talk to you just for a moment about how hypnotherapy can be extremely useful in cancer care or the care of chronic illness. Now, according to the National Cancer Registry of Ireland, every 3 minutes in Ireland, someone gets a cancer diagnosis. An average of 40,000 new cases of cancer are diagnosed each and every year. And by 2020, which is literally just around the corner, 1 in 2 people in Ireland will develop cancer during their lifetime. These are truly horrendous, frightening statistics. Now, before we begin, I want to lay it up here that hypnotherapy is definitely not a cure for cancer. Hypnotherapy is not a replacement for medical cancer treatment. But it can provide substantial relief and support in a whole host of ways around the illness and the effects of treatment. Now, hypnosis has been recognized as a legitimate therapeutic tool since way back in the 1950s by both the American Medical Association and the American Psychological Association. And these are not wild claims. Hypnotherapy has proven to be a powerful tool in the fight against all sorts of chronic illness. And this is backed up by proper research and systematic medical investigation. Each and every week, I work with either cancer patients or people who are suffering from chronic illness in a whole host of ways. Now, here are some of the ways that hypnotherapy can support the overall delivery of cancer care. Hypnosis is incredibly useful in the management and control of pain. It's important that you realize that before we can do any work in this area, we need a referral from your doctor or specialist. And that's because pain is there for a reason. It's there to alert you or to tell us that there's something needs attention. However, many people suffer from chronic pain. Sometimes medication doesn't always work that well. And in that situation, where we're not hiding or masking an underlying medical condition, then hypnosis can be an incredibly effective tool and can bring great comfort and relief to somebody. Dr. David Spiegel, an eminent professor, said it this way: "It has taken us a century and a half to rediscover the simple fact that the mind has something to do with pain and can be a powerful tool in controlling it. It is now abundantly clear that we can retrain the brain to reduce pain." Hypnosis has also been found to accelerate rates of healing in post-surgical patients. And I've had many examples of where this has taken place, where somebody who uses hypnotherapy in tandem with their medical treatment, their surgery, their medication, seem to come through their surgery with less painkillers required, with enhanced healing, less infection. It's also very, very effective in preparing patients for surgery. One of the most widespread uses of hypnosis in cancer care is in helping people with the side effects, with sickness and nausea that is very often a side effect of chemotherapy treatment. In fact, there's been quite a bit of research in this area, and lots of people suffer from what we call anticipatory nausea, And that's just, if you like, the psychological condition where we expect to be sick. So ultimately that's what our brain or mind gives us, is nausea. Hypnosis is extremely useful in this area. And it can also be used to encourage and improve appetite, to restore strength and well-being. In the same way, we can help people to sleep better, to aid in their rest and recuperation. And then, of course, a cancer diagnosis or a diagnosis of a serious chronic illness brings with it an incredible emotional upheaval. Hypnotherapy can be extremely efficacious in dealing with things like anxiety, depression, anger. If you'd like to know more about how hypnotherapy can help with a chronic illness or in cancer care, please contact me. I really would be genuinely happy to help. You can come for a free confidential consultation. You can ask all the questions that you want. Or if you want to, drop me an email or give me a call on my mobile, here are the details. Alternatively, you might just like to nip on over to my website where you can have a look at the full range of services that are on offer. So thank you for staying with me for this short recording. And if you know of somebody who's currently fighting with a chronic illness or a cancer diagnosis, I'd be really grateful if you could send this recording on to them. Thank you.